What up? It's your boy Crick D. And if you really want to know the secrets that they're not telling you, I promise you, you better watch this video. The first trick I see out here these big time YouTubers doing is having you talking about some sub for sub. Sub for sub ain't gonna get you nowhere. It's gonna get you, it's cool because you can sub people, they're gonna sub you back. You know, I understand it's good to have a big following. But YouTube recognize a brand. And if you ain't still here, if you leave, you're gonna miss the point. So what these big you boys do, they have you sub for sub, and then you go comment on their video, and then you getting all these replies on their video. You subbing their channel, or they subbing your channel. Sub for sub, then you gonna keep commenting, replying. Every time you go back to that channel to reply to somebody comment, you giving them more views. Are they sub to you? No, you helping the big time. What you need to do is learn about YouTube. You need to learn about tags, description, key nails, stuff that's gonna get, I'm verified. See, part of verified. I ain't even got 500 subscribers, but I'm verified. See what I'm saying? And it's the content that you put out. Look at this. YouTube recommending your content. This what you want. This what you need to work on. Stop wasting your time complaining about who subbed you and who didn't sub back. It's just like buying a pack of flyers. If you're a business, you're gonna buy 100 flyers. If 10 people come back to your store, you doing good because them 10 people want to be there. You're not gonna complain about the other people that didn't show up because they don't want to be there. So stop crying about that. Learn about keywords. Learn about tagging your video. Learn about pushing your videos up. Learn about how if I search my name, I'm gonna be on the first page of Google. Cause I'm gonna make a series to teach y'all all this if you wanna learn for free. Like I said, I'm not in this to gain nothing. Cause if I wanted to earn something, I push this button right here and start putting ads on my video. Why would I do that? I'm in here to teach y'all that you need to learn how to grow your brand because you run around complaining about who didn't sub you and all that. When these brands gonna look at your channel, they're gonna look and see, wait a minute, these people complaining, they crying, they worried about, that's the small stuff. Like I said, when you search your name on Google, you wanna be on the first page. When I search my name, Crick Smith, I'm on the first page of Google, all that. I'm out here. So I will be making videos to teach you guys how to, boost your brand. It's about your brand. Subscribers gonna come. They're gonna always come. I was on YouTube since, let me go to my lifetime report. I started in 2013. I ain't care about all no million subscribers and all that stuff. See, I ain't even post videos sometimes. And YouTube recommended my stuff right here for the whole time I've been on here because I'm giving value, content. I didn't post not one video in 2017, not one. But I still got views. I didn't post not one video at all, but I still got views. And I earned a couple dollars too. See that? I earned money. So what I'm gonna teach you guys about the right tags, how to, put the description on your video where it's gonna start getting shown up in Google search, where they search you. You all over the internet. You're not just on YouTube. It's more than YouTube. Y'all need to learn how to work this program and build your brand. Them 1,000 subscribers gonna come. In 2018, in February of this year, any small YouTuber with under 1,000 subscribers, they partnership got yanked. Why you think they didn't yank my partnership? Because I was giving these people value. I'm not on here complaining. I'm teaching people how to do stuff. My videos from 2017 and 2018 all the way up to November of this year, I didn't post not one video, but I'm still getting views. I'm still a verified partner, so I'm here to help y'all. Stop listening to all that sub for sub. Some people good. If you sub for sub and you do it 10 times and you got 2 people that come back, them 2 people gonna want to be there. And then when they get there, you give them some content of value. And then you start pushing them videos out everywhere. You don't just worry about my sub and watch my video. It ain't about your sub watching your video. It's about your video getting played everywhere. You need your video to be out there, outside YouTube. I understand, y'all just need to learn to work this program. Like I said, I'm here to teach you. I'm gonna show you about all this stuff. Y'all need to learn about every button that's out here, every button in here. And this your boy Crick D. I ain't gonna hold you too long. You already know. Look for these daily videos that's coming out. And I'm gone!